Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Dreaming of building a thriving online empire from the comfort of your home? Well, you're not alone. Millions are ditching traditional jobs for the exciting world of dropshipping. And today, we're diving deep into the platform that's making it all possible, Shopify. So, what exactly is Shopify? Think of it as a powerful online store builder on steroids. It's a platform that allows you to create your own e-commerce store without the hassle of technical know-how. From choosing a theme to managing products and customers, Shopify handles it all. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Benefits of Shopify Dropshipping. Now, why is Shopify such a big deal for dropshippers? Let's break down the benefits. Low startup costs. No need to invest in inventory. Shopify takes care of product storage and shipping. Scalability. Your store can grow as big as you want without breaking the bank. User-friendly. Even if you're a tech newbie, Shopify's interface is designed with you in mind. App ecosystem. Thousands of apps to enhance your store and automate tasks. Okay, let's be real. Dropshipping isn't all rainbows and unicorns. There are challenges. Competition is fierce, profit margins can be tight, and customer service is crucial. But with the right products, marketing strategies, and dedication, it's absolutely possible to build a successful dropshipping business on Shopify. If you're ready to take the plunge into the world of dropshipping, Shopify is definitely a platform worth considering. But remember, success takes hard work and persistence. Think starting an online business is complicated. Think again. Shopify dropshipping is like building with Lego bricks, but for your dream store. Let's break down why it's so easy. No inventory hassle. Forget about warehouses and stockrooms. With Shopify dropshipping, you don't need to handle any products. Suppliers take care of everything from storage to shipping. User-friendly platform. Shopify's interface is designed with beginners in mind. You don't need coding skills or design expertise. It's intuitive and easy to navigate. App Store magic. Need help with marketing, customer service, or shipping? Shopify's App Store has a solution for everything. Simply find the app you need and install it with a few clicks. Stunning themes. Want a professional-looking store without the design headache? Shopify offers a wide range of beautiful, customizable themes. You can easily swap colors, images, and fonts to match your brand. 24/7 support. Got questions? Shopify's customer support is available around the clock to help you with anything you need. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Want to learn more about dropshipping? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.